My son just came and asked me what's wrong. And I said, why do we have to hear the sound of war? Why? 250 years of fucking war. This what we celebrating? This is the most fucked up shit ever. This is so fucked up. Because now you got nervous systems all fucked up. What about the people in Palestine that feel like this every fucking day? Congo. This is so fucked up. And all you hearing is constant noise. You're hearing sirens because who done hurt themselves? Who done set something on fire? It's the sound of war. I think we can do something better with our resources than spend money on this, because we don't have to celebrate 250 years of fucking war. They got 250 up there like it's a fucking badge of honor. So fucked up. The dogs barking. The veterans. Son, you don't even know if it's gunshots. Or fireworks. It's Friday night. Ain't quite 95 degrees, but my goodness. They out here racing, the partying, and the sirens, and the war. What are we teaching our young adults? What are we teaching the children and the youth? That it's okay to live with a fucked up nervous system, or to become immune to fucking war? So now our young man is walking around with balled up fists and thinking they the baddest. They ain't doing donuts. They racing. We live in a country and it's fast cars out here. Go race, I guess. Be safe. I want to feel safe. And it's hard to feel safe with the sound of war. It is. It's really hard. What about the people that got to get up and go to work in a couple hours? Or trying to do overtime? Or working with the elderly and they hearing that shit? Oh my God. Somebody with dementia, this shit? Oh my God. Pray for our seniors, for our elders, for our wise men and women, you know.